Hi everyone, welcome to RK Digital School. In this lecture, we are going to discuss how to calculate simple buy and hold strategy and cumulative returns. So we will create a Python script to load the historical stocks and index data from CSV file. And process is to calculate the daily logarithmic returns and then calculate the cumulative return to simulate the performance of a long-term investment. Let's start the coding now. First of all, I will start with the importing all the libraries. Import pandas as pd, import numpy as np, uh, im, im, import matplotlib as plot. Okay, let's run this program and see the any issues are there. Or it's working fine. It's working fine, right? Okay, now it's saying the module not found. Pandas. Okay, now it's working fine. Now what we will do? We'll load the data from the CSV file. Okay. So data frame. I'm just creating one variable as a data frame. Pandas dot read underscore CSV and sample dot CSV file. Okay. And then in the parse underscore days convert the date formats. Okay. Yeah. Parse underscore dates is equal to, it will convert in date format, equal to date. That set the, okay. Now just will return the data frame. Let's see the output. Is there any issues or it's working fine? Okay, it's working fine. Now we got the data from the CSV file. Now we will load the data frame dot plot. Okay, then figure size is equal to 12 8. Okay, and then you have to provide the title. So I will just write a title is equal to 12. It's okay. Let's run this program. We got the output. Okay, now we'll calculate the logarithmic return. Data frame, and we will create new column as a return. Okay, so logarithmic current data division by previous day. Okay, so data frame is the current day. Okay, division data frame dot shift 1. That means it will shift to previous day. I will return the data frame here. Data frame. Now we got the logarithmic return here. Okay, so whatever we have a zero or null, we will just ignore this one, zero or null, using Drupana. So data frame dot drop on in place equal to in place is equal to true. Okay, it's working fine. Now we visualize the data using histogram. Histo, okay, bins is equal to 100, and then fig size is equal to 12. Fig size is equal to 12 comma 8. Okay, dot dit title demo instrument Okay, now we will show the graph. Load show. Let's run this program and see the output. We got the output. Now we will calculate the cumulative returns. So numpy dot exponential return and data frame dot return dot sum. Okay, we got this cumulative returns, data frame return dot sum dot apply. Okay, np dot exp. Let's run this program. Okay, so these are the cumulative return. Okay, data frame cumulative return. Cumulative return is equal to data frame dot returns dot sum okay dot apply line np dot exp exponential. Okay, it's working fine now. Now we have to plot the graph, right? Data frame dot cumulative. Okay, now we got the output for the cumulative return. Okay दोस्तों, from this lecture, if you are new on the my channel, please subscribe my channel so that you will get the notifications when I upload the new video. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.